Ever wonder how creators are turning a few prompts into full cinematic action scenes? Today, we're breaking down exactly how to build one, start to finish, using Studio AI powered by HappyHorse 1.1. Right now, generations with HappyHorse 1.1 are 50% off, so it's the perfect time to test it out. Let's get into it.
She's alive. Let's bring her home. Two guards ahead. Can we blow this place already?
How amazing was that? Now the first thing we need is a character reference sheet. This is what keeps your character looking consistent throughout your entire video, so they don't randomly change between shots. Here in Studio AI's image generator, I'm using Nano Banana Pro because it produces incredibly realistic results and works really well for creating consistent characters. If you want to be the hero in your own movie, simply upload a photo of yourself using the reference image option. Otherwise, you can just describe the character you want directly in the prompt. I'll leave the full prompt in the description below so you can copy it and customize it for your own character. The important part is describing your character in as much detail as possible, then asking for a cinematic character reference sheet with multiple angles, close-up details, and equipment. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your results will be. Next, we need a location reference sheet. Just like the character reference, this keeps your environments looking consistent throughout the entire video. Whether it's a warehouse, a forest, or a futuristic city, having a dedicated location reference helps every shot feel like it takes place in the same world. I'm still using Nano Banana Pro inside Studio AI's image generator to get the most realistic results. Again, I'll leave the full prompt in the description below, but the key is to describe the environment in as much detail as possible, including the architecture, lighting, weather, atmosphere, and camera angle. The more specific you are, the more consistent your locations will be across every scene. Now it's time to bring everything together. First, upload the reference images you'll need for the scene. In this example, I'm using my character references and location references to keep everything looking consistent. Next, paste in your prompt. For this first example, I'm creating an opening stealth sequence inside the warehouse, where the prompt describes the camera movement, the character's actions, and the environment in detail. I'll leave the full prompt in the description below if you'd like to try it yourself. Once everything's ready, simply click Generate. For my second example, I'm creating the final explosion sequence. This prompt is all about cinematic destruction, with multiple camera angles showing different parts of the warehouse collapsing. From close-up explosions to massive exterior fireballs, every shot is designed to become bigger and more dramatic than the last. Once you've uploaded your references and pasted in your prompt, simply click Generate. And that's it. A full action scene, built entirely with HappyHorse 1.1 in Studio AI, with video generations currently 50% off. If you want to try this yourself, find the links and full prompts down below. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment letting us know what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next one.